In this video, I will show you how to make a table for the method of divided difference. For applying the method of divided difference in your questions, first of all, you need to know that how you are going to draw your table out of your data. For that purpose, for example, your data is given as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x0, y0, x1, y1, and at x2 you have the value for y, y2. At x3 you have y3 and at x4 you have y4. First difference, del y. The first difference will be written from the difference of first two values. The second difference will be taken out from the difference of next two values. Then y2 and y3, and then the difference of y3 and y4. Now, first difference for y1 and y0 will be y1 minus y0 divided by, at what values you are having y1 and y0? x1 and x0. So you have to divide it with x1 minus x0. Let's suppose I am giving it a name x0, x1. This will be a numeric value. I am giving it some name. Now, second values, y2 and y1. So the difference will be y2 minus y1 divided by, its x values are these, x2 minus x1. Let's name it as x1, x2. Now, third value will be from y3, y2, y3 minus y2 divided by, what are the x values on this y3 and y2? x3, x2. So it will be x3 minus x2. Let's give it a name x2, x3. Now, the last value will be y4 minus y3 divided by x4 minus x3. Now, let's give it a name x3, x4. Now, if you need to calculate the second difference, this is the first difference. Now, if you are to calculate the second difference, that is del 2y, what you will do? You will take the difference of these two values, first and second, then second and third, and then third and fourth. So, how you will take the difference? This term minus this term. This will be x1, x2 minus this term x0, x1 divided by, now you see what is the lower x value here, that is x0, starting from x0 and ending at x2. So here we'll get x2 minus x1. Now come on to this one, the difference of the second and third value, that is third minus second, x2, x3 minus x1, x2 divided by, it is starting from x1 and ending at x3, so it will be x3 minus x1. This x3 minus x1. Now, the divided difference for third and fourth value. So it will be fourth minus third, that will be x3, x4 minus x2, x3 divided by x2 and x4 you have, so it will be x4 minus x2. In this way, you can find the divided differences. This is the first divided difference. This is the second divided difference. Continue in this manner. You can find the third divided difference, fourth divided difference, up to so on. Now move on to the example. Like if you are going to calculate the values for a question, then how you are going to calculate from your using your table? First of all, I will calculate its first difference. That will be the difference of first two. Second and third, third and fourth, fourth and fifth, fifth and sixth. Now, this will be my first difference. Let's note is it with del y. It will be equals to 100 minus 48 divided by, what are the x values on these y values? 5 and 4. 5 minus 4, that will be 52. Now, second and third, that will be 294 minus 100 divided by these x values, 7 minus 5. That will give me 97. Now, the third value, 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7. That will be equals to 202. Now 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10. That will give me 310. Now the last value is 2028 minus 1210 divided by 13 minus 11. That is equals to 409. Now this is my first difference values. Now I need to calculate my second difference, that is del 2y. For calculating my second difference, I have to take the difference of first two, second and third, third and fourth, fourth and fifth. It will be 97 minus 52 divided by, now from where, what is your here, this least x value, it is starting from 4 and it is ending at 7. So it will be 7 minus 4. That will give me 15 here. Now this one, 202 minus 97 divided by, now it is starting from this 5 and it is ending at 10. So it will be 10 minus 5. So it will give me 21. Now 310 minus 202 divided by, here this is the similar value 10. So it is starting from 7 till 11. So it will be 11 minus 7. It will be equals to 27. Now the last one, 409 minus 310 divided by, this 11 will be skipped. It will be 13 minus 10. So it will give me the answer 33. This is my second difference. Now we need to move on to our third difference, that is del 3y. Del 3y, third difference will be between 15 and 21, 21 and 27, 27 and 33. And how we will calculate it? It will be 21 minus 15 divided by, now here you have to do what? It is starting from where? It is starting from 4 and it is ending at 10. Starting from 4 and it is ending at 10. So it will be, since it is your third difference, so you have to start from first till fourth value. So fourth minus first. It will be 10 minus 4. So it will give us 1. Now 27 minus 21 divided by, here I will get 11 minus 5. How I will get? Consider the second point and move up till 11. Starting from 4 till 10, this one. Starting from 5 till 11, this one. So it is 1 again. Now 33 minus 27. It is starting from now the third point, 7 till 13. So it will be 13 minus 7. It is again 1. Now if I need to find out my fourth difference, del 4y, it will be the difference between the first and second and third. And it will be equals to 1 minus 1 divided by, starting from the first value till 11. Because it is your fourth difference, so you move from 4 up to the 4th point. 11 minus 4. So it will be 0. Now this difference, 1 minus 1 divided by, pick the second point and move from here up to 4th point. It will be 13 minus 5, so it is 0 again. So in this way, you can find out the divided differences by building this table, and then you can use this table in your divided difference formula for solving your questions.